And we've got some breaking news coming in. Singer and rapper Yo-Yo Honey Singh has been accused of domestic violence. Honey Singh's wife Shalini Talwar has moved a plea in Delhi's Tees Hazari court on domestic violence charges. The court has now issued notice to the hugely popular singer Yo-Yo Honey Singh to file a reply by the 28th of August and has passed an interim order in favor of the singer's wife Shalini, restraining Honey Singh from disposing of any jointly owned property in the meantime. I want to go across to India Today's Anisha Mathur for more. Anisha, domestic violence allegations by Shalini Talwar against her husband Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Tell us more.
Well, Shiv, it's a very, very serious charge that Shalini Talwar has put not only against Honey Singh but also his mother, his father and his sister. It is if you see the petition, it is a litany of charges starting from 2011 when they were first married till 2021, that is 10 years worth of physical violence, sexual violence, deprivation of finances, mental harassment and other forms of domestic violence that has been alleged by Shalini Talwar. She has alleged that not only that she's also alleged that Honey Singh was having an affair with multiple women. He had multiple one-night stands. He was also having an affair with some other singers and performers. Which also constitutes mental cruelty to her. He was physically violent with her. He has beaten her up while intoxicated, while on drugs multiple times. His parents have also been accused of continuous mental and physical violence. In fact, there's even an allegation of an attempt at a sexual assault on Honey Singh's father. So this petition is a complete litany of very, very serious charges over a period of 10 years. In fact, Shalini Talwar in her allegation has said that the last straw came this year when she fell ill with COVID and when she had to be hospitalized, and when she went back to the house, they had already taken away all the jewelry and documents, etc., that she had kept in an almirah, and they threw her out of the house. And today she says that she has been thrown out of the house that she owns jointly with her husband, and her in-laws have pressured her husband to buy another property which is not in her name and have refused to let her back into her marital home. Now, the Tees Hazari court judge has issued notice. Honey Singh and his family members will have to appear before the court and file a reply on the 28th of August. Until then, they have also been restrained from alienating any property, from selling off anything or creating a third-party interest in any property that is jointly owned.
Very serious case here. Domestic violence, a litany of charges against not just the singer but also his family. Anisha will be detailing that for us here on India Today. Thanks, Anisha, for getting us that update from court.